Check this out. This is a USB rechargeable LED reflective vest, and this is great for runners, walkers, cyclists. So basically you're riding your bike, you're out walking. Anytime it's like early morning or late evening, sometimes I'll go for my walks or runs, and I usually take a headlamp, and a headlamp doesn't like give you proper like visibility all the way around. And then I came across one of these LED vests. This thing is awesome because I'd seen someone else wearing one of these, and then I wanted to get one. So right away, let's just kind of go over some of the features of this thing. It has 3 modes. It's got, you know, 6 like bright colors: green, blue, red, purple, pink. It'll go between the colors, and you could set it on different types of modes of flashing to slow, pulsating to just always on. It's got 360-degree illumination, so you see right here, it's all the way around. You can see both front and back, and it has a reflective stripe in the middle. It's also got a rechargeable lithium battery, and the battery lasts from 6 to 8 hours of continuous use. It's got the light. It's got a little small light in the front, so it's only 7 ounces. It's very light, the whole thing. It's adjustable chest strap, high chest lamp, because by the way, it has a running light in the middle, so I don't need my headlamp anymore. Let's just go ahead and take this thing out of the package and see what we get here. Well, there's the unit itself. You get a little set of instructions, but you know what? It's a light. You push a button. I already know what's going on with that. And a USB mini cable. I wish it was USB-C. I love my USB-Cs. I got a bunch of them now. So let's just put the box aside over here. We don't need a cable because this came fully charged. I want y'all to check this thing out. So this is the back, and the back has a really easily button right here that you can reach behind you and mash. Very easy. I didn't know this part lit up, but the battery, I guess, is contained right in there. And then if you look right here, here's where you charge it. Put that in there like that. Then it's got the little LED light, and I was very impressed with this little light right here. That thing is super bright, and it has just 2 modes on it, a high and a low. And then the back, the actual LED strips. This is the always on. There's the flashing, and I think there's a pulsating. Here's the pulsating. See what it's doing there? It's going up and coming down. I like the color combo of this thing. This thing looks awesome. So yeah, let's go ahead. Let's take it outside. It's starting to get dark. Let's put this thing on. Let's go for a run around the neighborhood. You know what? It gives me a reason to go for a jog anyway. So let's go ahead and let's do that now. All right, everybody, here it is. It's nighttime. I'm outside. It just started raining. Well, it's kind of dusk, but I want y'all to check this out. You can kind of see how it mounts on there, and then watch. I can reach back one hand and look at that. The first press, it gives you this pulsating right here. So then press it one more time, and this stays on, just continuously stays on all the way around. But what I like is that big, huge light right here on the back, because usually that's what you're worried with, is like safety coming from behind. Hit it the 3rd time and check this out. Perfect for anybody that likes to night run, ride their bike at night, or any type of outdoor activities where you're going to be on the road. Maybe even some safety workers or something like that, EMS, EMTs or something like that, because you will definitely see this thing from a distance. And then even a little light that's not the easiest to turn on because you have to use your fingernail. A little light right there that I wish would turn down, but I like this light. So I've got that whole area there. So yeah, there it is, everybody. That's all I got today on the LED with running light in the front. See y'all in the next video. Woo!